I tried changing the content on my TikTok account because it wasn't getting many views. I put a lot of effort into my videos, but they only get between 200 to 300 views. Imagine, I tried posting just a picture with some text, and the video got 5,000 views. The views keep increasing every minute, and I think it will soon reach 10K. I'm afraid to share this idea with you, fearing that you might steal it and take the views away from me. Just kidding. I'll share exactly what I did. The result will be fantastic if you use video clips, sound effects, some editing, and post about 3 videos every day. I posted one video that took me only 10 minutes, and it could take even less. I expected these views before posting it, but first like the video and subscribe to the channel. Through this quick experiment, I discovered that editing plays a minor role in the success of the video, and selecting the incorrect niche is the reason for our failure on TikTok. So I'll present to you the best 3 niches for TikTok creativity program that can bring you 10K followers and 100K views in a short time, including the niche that I experimented with and gained views from the first day, through which you can garner millions of views and attain huge profits from the TikTok creativity program. As you know, TikTok now pays us for every 1,000 views, and you can join this program from any country, even if your country is not one of the eligible countries for the creativity program. It has 2 conditions for joining and earning from it: reaching 10K followers and 100K views in the last 30 days. If you choose one of these 3 niches, it will surely help you meet these conditions. Just follow along with me to the end. Let's get started. 1. AI motivation niche. You may all be familiar with this content, seeing it on TikTok and especially on Instagram. It's very easy to create and can garner thousands, if not millions, of views. The beautiful thing is that as your page grows over time, you can create a valuable book related to your content. For example, if you focus on motivation in the health and fitness field, you can sell a book offering, say, 10 habits to keep you energized throughout the day, or promote health products. If your motivation revolves around money, create a book titled How to Earn Your First $10K Online, place the book link in your bio, and sell it through your TikTok content. This way, you'll multiply your earnings. But first, you need to focus on creating content, and I'll provide you with 6 artificial intelligence tools to use in creating 100% exclusive content for any niche you choose from this video. You won't need any other tools. First, enter Google Bard and request, "Write me 10 simple motivational speeches about money under 3 lines each." As you can see, it provided us with 10 short speeches as requested. To initially boost engagement on your account, you don't need to create lengthy videos. Videos ranging from 7 to 30 seconds are sufficient to attract views and followers. Copy each speech and create a voiceover immediately. Copy the first speech, go to Elevenlabs, choose a professional voice like Adam's, paste the speech, click generate, save the audio, then return to Google Bard and say, "I need 4 prompts to ask Ideogram to generate high-quality images related to this speech." Paste the speech directly in front of it. Review the provided prompts. If you're not satisfied, you can change them. Next, design attractive images based on these suggestions. Copy the first sentence. Go to Ideogram, the best free image design website. Paste the prompt, choose random styles, and select the dimensions for short videos. Click generate, and you'll see 4 beautiful images. If you're not pleased, change the style or prompt. I liked one image, so I'll download it for free. Then, access Runway, register on the site, choose the feature to convert the image into a video, upload the first image you designed from Ideogram, wait a bit, click generate. Return to Google Bard, copy another sentence, for instance the third one, go back to Ideogram, paste the prompt, stick with the same style, click generate. As you can see, the site excelled this time, designing 4 incredibly captivating images. Imagine when you convert them into a video, it'll become a movie, especially this image and this one too. I'll download these 2 together. I think 3 images are enough to create a short video. As I mentioned, I used only one image and didn't even convert it initially into a video, and the result was extraordinary. Let's go back to Runway and download the 3 images, then click generate. So here's the first video ready to watch. Also, notice Runway's creativity. Since I discovered the site, it consistently delivers fantastic results, and it's free. Let's download the short video from here. Now let's see the second video. What a smooth motion, as if it adds effects and filters to the image. I'll download it from here. Even the third video is legendary. I'll download it too. So we have 3 video clips with voiceover. Now let's merge them using Capcut or any other editing software, as we only need to combine the audio with the downloaded videos. Enter Capcut, upload the voiceover and short clips, add them to the timeline, choose the TikTok dimensions, and then arrange the video clips with each corresponding sentence. Also, enlarge the clips to take up the full screen. Next, add a specific filter to all the videos. I can even add 2 simple transitions between the 3 clips to enhance the video. Then, remove the silent areas to minimize the video further. Finally, add captions to the video. Capcut provides this feature for free, but for a more professional touch, there's a site used by over 400K people that offers beautiful captions. First, download the video from Capcut by pressing Export. I recommend choosing 60 FPS, then download the video. Now, enter the magical tool, Submagic. This tool adds dynamic captions to your videos, used by major celebrities. Register, click Create, and upload the video here. Choose the language and wait for the download to finish. Now, after the download is complete, let's watch together.
Money is a tool, not a treasure. Use it to build dreams, not cages. Every penny saved fuels your future flight.
You can see why I recommended this tool. It also offers other themes like Divine, Beautiful.
Money is a tool, not a treasure. Use it to build dreams, not cages. Every penny saved fuels your future flight.
There's also a theme I really like, Ella, Let's See It Together.
Money is a tool, not a treasure. Use it to build dreams, not cages. Every penny saved fuels your future flight.
We also have Hormozy 3.
Money is a tool, not a treasure. Use it to build dreams, not cages. Every penny saved fuels your future flight.
Different styles are available, and you can control everything, such as color, size, and position. You can even edit the text if there's a mistake, although it's very accurate. With Submagic, you have additional features like zooming in the video automatically and ready-made video descriptions with hashtags. You can try this AI tool for free and download 3 videos with a watermark. If you like it and want to download videos without the watermark, the basic package offers 20 videos for $20, and the Pro package offers 100 videos for $50 per month. If you decide to subscribe, I have a discount code for you. Minato10 gives you a 10% discount. So for example, in the Pro package, the price becomes $45.
Money is a tool, not a treasure. Use it to build dreams, not cages.
And you can create 100 videos per month, publishing them whenever you want. I'll leave the link in the first comment. If you can't afford it, use Capcut. It's also good. 2. Gaming niche. This niche is one I've tried and I've gained thousands of views on TikTok. It's a sought-after niche, especially if you love gaming. Don't hesitate to create an account on TikTok dedicated to this field. You can create content around popular games like Minecraft, Free Fire, PS, Fortnite, and GTA. All these games have large audiences, and you can either play and share entertaining clips. People love watching this type of content, or create tutorial content, such as how to download games and explanations of websites and apps for game charging. I've tried this and received thousands of views on YouTube and even TikTok, where I explained about GTA and got up to 60K views with fantastic engagement. Gaming content gets significant views, and over time you can even start live streaming on your account. Just be cautious of TikTok warnings that may lead to video deletions. Share valuable content, and you'll see who appreciates your content. 3. Football niche with AI. I've tried this content in a single video on my account, and it succeeded in getting interaction. I'm not sure if it has been discussed before, or if someone has explained it previously, but it involves creating football videos using AI. Now you might be wondering about various ideas. Should you post goals, news, analyses, or funny moments? The key is to share football-related content. For instance, if a notable team plays a match and a remarkable moment happens like a strong shot by Kylian Mbappe, even if it's not a goal, you can create a video about it. I did exactly that for a PSG versus Dortmund match. I didn't follow the match, but I wanted to experiment. I watched until Mbappe's strong shot was saved by the goalkeeper. Not a goal, but a compelling moment. I thought of making a video about it. I went to Twitter, downloaded an image of that moment, and searched for a video but couldn't find one. Instead, I found only the image, so I used Google Bard to ask for comments about that moment. It provided detailed comments, and I selected a small portion, pasted it into Elevenlabs, downloaded the voiceover, and immediately merged the image with the voiceover in Capcut. I then posted the video on TikTok. By morning, it had 3,000 views and kept increasing. Imagine if you conduct a good search, find the matches played today, and start making videos about those matches. I won't go into detail about creating these videos again, as I explained it step by step in another recent video. You can find the link in the description box. I'll also leave the tools used in this video, which you may need on your journey. Link in the first comment. Thank you for sharing this journey with me. I've shared everything I know and have tried, holding nothing back. Please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.